When considering where to allocate your marketing efforts, you may come up against the conversation around digital marketing versus traditional methods. In this video, we'll take a look at the difference between digital and traditional marketing methods, as well as which is better suited to grow your business. Hello, and welcome back to the CS Design Studios YouTube channel, where we share all of our digital marketing tricks of the trade. Last month, we discussed the importance of SEO for small businesses ready to grow. So be sure to check that one out, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the video that could hold the secret to increasing your conversions online. Let's get started. Let's begin with the difference between traditional and digital marketing. Traditional marketing is any marketing that is not online. This includes print, radio, telephone, and television marketing. On the flip side, digital marketing is done exclusively online and covers all marketing efforts deployed on the internet, whether that's on your business's webpage, on social media, or on Google. One notable advantage of marketing online is the reduced cost of the materials and legwork to get your advertising in front of potential customers. Both forms of marketing can still be effective today, with the biggest factor for success being your target audience. Generally, digital marketing has the upper hand with customers in the 20 to 50-year-old range, with 81% of American adults using some form of social media daily. The 65-year-old plus demographic is more likely to read a newspaper or listen to the radio compared to younger generations. But even grandma and grandpa use Google. So, regardless of your target audience, digital marketing is a must for today's businesses. Word of mouth is often considered the gold standard marketing strategy. Nothing establishes credibility better or spreads faster than a trusted friend's recommendation. The thing is, word of mouth has gone online too. Nowadays, a customer might be less likely to hear about a business, product, or service over a phone call from a friend, but more likely to read about it in a social media post. And when it comes to paid advertising, your ideal customer is more likely to see a targeted ad while scrolling their feed than when flipping through a magazine. Even when a user looks up a business on Google, they not only find the location and phone number, but reviews as well. Word of mouth is no longer confined to the people we know and interact with face-to-face, but has been made even more powerful and visible by the internet. Digital marketing efforts can address things like reputation management, to keep reviews and star ratings favorable, SEO, to rank your website higher in search results, and much, much more. At CS Design Studios, we know that not every digital marketing tool is created equal for each client. As local web development and marketing leaders, we employ a targeted approach to earn each of our clients the results they deserve, with the support to help them grow. We invite you to learn more with a visit to our website at csdesignstudios.com. And thank you so much for watching. We look forward to helping you grow your business with every new video.